Jianglin Group is a professional aluminum extrusion supplier based in China. Our factory spans 50,000 square meters, with over 200 employees, including several leading experts in extrusion and anodizing. We operate 8 advanced extrusion presses, equipped with automatic double pullers and water cooling belts. The aluminum profile production process begins with high-quality aluminum billets. These billets are cut to length and melted or preheated to the ideal extrusion temperature. The softened billet is then extruded through a precision steel die, forming continuous profiles with accurate cross-sections. Extruded profiles are rapidly cooled using air or water to ensure dimensional accuracy and mechanical stability. Next, the profiles are aged in controlled ovens to reach the desired temper, such as T5 or T6, enhancing their strength. Surface treatments like anodizing or powder coating are applied to improve corrosion resistance and aesthetic finish, based on customer needs. Each profile is thoroughly inspected for dimensions, surface quality, and hardness to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Qualified profiles are carefully wrapped, bundled, labeled, and securely packed for efficient global shipping. Jianglin, your trusted partner in aluminum extrusion.